Hey guys, welcome to the Hamster channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to build a mining rig. And my dad already built the mining rig and he used wood to build it. And the reason why I want to do this, because sometimes you just want to make few coins or something at home, bitcoins at home, and you could do it like this. So first, this is the riser. Okay, this is the riser, and this plug thing here, it connects to the motherboard thing, and this connects to the graphic card, this yellow thing. Okay, guys, you get that? This yellow thing connects to the graphic card, and this is the graphic card, OMG. Okay, so this is the graphic card, and this is the back of it, that. And, yeah, and it connects it to here, right here, and it would just connect it like this. See, it would just connect it like this. Then when you're done connecting it, you want to put this on the rig. Let me put it on really quickly. Let me just, oh gosh, okay. You just connect it like this, like that, and you just connect it like basically like that, and you want to use a clip or some sort to clip it so it stays secure and it won't just fall off. And I will also be using this piece of metal thing here so it won't be too, so it's secure. Sorry, it would be a little secure like that. I didn't put on the clip, so I finished putting it all together, and this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like all together. You have the clip here, and you got that thing on the bottom and middle. Now I'm gonna put it to the computer and you will get it now. So guys, I finished installing the graphic card to my PC, so I should have like 2 graphic cards now, and I will show you a picture up here somewhere. So, but now we're gonna install a software so you can mine. The software, it's called NiceHash. So it's called NiceHash. Click here, and it's the first link. And here you press more and press miners and tools here. And here you will just press download the first one. And you will press download NiceHash Miner 3.01.0 installer, but I already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna go here, double click, and it will just load in for you. So now there it is. So you're gonna press start mining. You just do that, and I have to. So I'm gonna go to devices, and I should have 3 of these, and so you're gonna wait till you get 3 of these things, right? I mean 2 of them now, because I have 3 in total. So you would just wait. Yeah, there you go. You got the second one. Now we just wait to get the third one, which is the last one. And here, that's your benchmark, and that's your things here too. And so that's the wallet address. So you will just go on Google and type free wallet, and we just click that. The wallet is you just enter your Gmail and you create an account or something, or you can find a free wallet address, so you can enter it. This is an app, by the way, for your phone, so that's still working, and other things too. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh, now there's 3. Oopsie. So we're gonna get a dashboard, and here so two graphic card about yeah. So I every day make about 49 cents like a day, or more or less, I don't know, but yeah, and make sure to have fun making the money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on the notification bell too. And please be careful while doing this, because you don't want to hurt yourself. Bye!